I need to steal the eggs, but where are them?
I heard that.
No you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Nope.
You dumb piggy.
I know, that's me. Wait, that's me.
And
Dun, 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 dun. Ow! I don't like that. That hurts. I will get you I'm gonna get the eggs. Peace out.
no, you're not.
Yes, I found the eggs! Yes! I'm getting ready to steal them. Yes, I got the egg. I got an egg. Wee. Okay, I gotta get the other egg. And wee. I gotta get the other and wee. Yes. No. Now get in there. Get in the nest. Yeah. See you later. I got the eggs. Where is that buffoon piggy? I'm here. I'm sorry I'm late. I nearly was caught by the bird.
Oh, good. You are here. Finally. Ugh, my britches were starting to fall down. Oh, wait, I don't have any. Alright, let's get to cooking. Wait, isn't there 3 eggs?
Oh no, I must have dropped them. Oh, you idiot! I'll go back to get them. I'll be right back.
You're lucky you got me in a good mood. Turn the oven on. Put it here. And let's cook.
Oh, can you go any faster?
I'm working on it, you idiot.
Oh, there. Yay, the egg. I found it. I got the egg again.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm here.
Oh, no. The bird. No.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You better scream, because you're going to get owned.
Oh, yeah?
Shing. What? Where'd you get that?
Always come prepared?
Well, you're about to get creamed.
Really?
Oh yeah, 2 could play attacking. Give me that.
Okay.
Ow, ow.
No, I failed.
Yes, I got the egg. Now I'm gonna go get the other eggs. Yeah, I beat them up. I showed them. Oh, yeah, boy, nobody ain't got time for that. I mean, they could have done better. Because it's like, the look on their face, it looked like a 2-day-old baby who was just born. Boyakasha, dude. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.